Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to disable Auto Wi-Fi connection on Samsung S25. Let's begin. First, we want to head into the settings. Then you can head to Connections, Wi-Fi, and then you want to choose your network. For me, it's this one. So we'll go into this cogwheel icon here, and right at the bottom we have Auto Reconnect option. All we need to do is simply disable this option. And now our Auto Connect feature is turned on, and we have to manually click on it in order to connect to the Wi-Fi. Or alternatively, we can hit three dots in the top right corner and go to Intelligent Wi-Fi. I know it's not the same, but if you're looking for these features, you can, well, find them here. But as you can see, they do require you to use a SIM card. I don't have one plugged in into the phone right now, so yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. But it's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.